Most Audi owners never realize their car is already capable of far more than they use every day. Hidden inside the menus and systems are features designed to make driving easier, prevent costly mistakes, and quietly improve ownership. Yet fewer than 1% of drivers ever discover them. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 Audi features most owners don't know exist, including one near the end that can save you serious money if you use it correctly. If you drive an Audi and plan to keep it, this is information you don't want to miss. Number 1. Comfort, open, and close. This classic Audi feature allows you to vent or seal your car from a distance, and it's perfect for those scorching summer days when you want to start cooling down your interior before you even reach the car. The feature works by long pressing the unlock button on your fob to open all windows and often the sunroof. Long pressing the lock button closes them all back up. It's like having remote control over your car's climate before you even get inside. Here's where it gets tricky. Availability varies significantly by region and year. In some markets like the US, remote closing is occasionally disabled for safety reasons, so you might only get the opening function. On some models, you can toggle this feature in the MMI under Vehicle Settings and then Central Locking. However, if the menu isn't visible there, the hardware may still support it, but you'll need a coding tool like VCDS or OBD11 to unlock the menu option. The feature is particularly useful during summer months when your car has been sitting in the sun all day. You can start the cooling process from across the parking lot, making your first few minutes in the car much more comfortable. This function represents Audi's attention to real-world driving comfort, solving the problem of getting into an overheated car during summer weather. Number 2. Passenger mirror curb view. Save your expensive Audi wheels from curb rash by having your passenger mirror automatically look at the ground while you're in reverse. This feature can literally save you hundreds of dollars in wheel repairs. The trick is simple but not obvious. Turn your mirror adjustment knob to the R position for the passenger mirror and leave it there. When you shift into reverse, that mirror will automatically tilt down to show you the curb and your wheel position. To program it properly, shift into reverse, adjust the mirror to the specific angle you want using the mirror controls, then shift back to park. The car stores that position and returns to it automatically every time you reverse. Here's the important caveat. This feature is often linked to having memory seats and mirrors. If your car isn't equipped with that package, it may not work without aftermarket coding to enable the function. The feature works by remembering two separate mirror positions: your normal driving position and your reverse parking position. When you shift out of reverse, the mirror automatically returns to the normal position, so you don't have to remember to readjust it manually. This is one of those features that seems almost magical until you understand how it works, and it's saved countless Audi owners from expensive wheel damage. Number 3. The hidden mechanical key and glove box lock. Audi Smart Keys hide a physical backup plan inside the fob that most owners never discover. This mechanical key can be your lifesaver in emergency situations and provides a clever security feature. Press the release latch on your fob to pull out a metal mechanical key blade. This key works in the door lock if your battery dies or your electronics fail, but it has another clever use that most people miss. If your specific Audi model has a mechanical lock on the glove box, you can use this blade to lock your valuables inside. You can then hand the electronic fob to a valet or mechanic while keeping the physical key and your privacy with you. This valet strategy is particularly useful when you need to leave your car with someone but want to secure important documents, cash, or personal items in the glove box. The mechanical lock is completely separate from the electronic systems, so even someone with your main key fob can't access the locked glove box. Not every Audi model has the glove box lock feature, as it depends on your specific trim level and market. Check your glove box for a small keyhole, usually located near the handle or on the side of the compartment. This feature shows Audi's thoughtful approach to security, providing multiple layers of protection for your belongings. Number 4. Teardrop wipe. Ever cleaned your windshield only to have one last drop of fluid run down the glass 5 seconds later, leaving a streak right in your line of sight? Audi solved this annoying problem with an ingenious delayed wiper function. The teardrop wipe is a delayed final pass of the wipers that catches that last stray drip of washer fluid. It's a real feature in the VAG group of vehicles, including Volkswagen and Audi, but it isn't always active by default. While many modern Audi models have this feature built into the software, it's not always enabled from the factory. The feature requires activation through coding in the Central Electrics module, and it's rarely available as a standard MMI menu toggle that owners can access directly. When properly activated, the system waits a few seconds after the normal wash cycle completes, then performs one final wiper pass to catch any remaining fluid that has dripped down the windshield. The timing is carefully calibrated to catch the fluid at just the right moment. Not so soon that the fluid is still flowing, but not so late that it's already dried and streaked. This attention to detail is typical of German engineering, solving a small but annoying problem that most manufacturers ignore. If you're interested in enabling this feature, you'll need access to VCDS or a similar coding tool, as it's not typically available through standard owner menus. Number 5. MMI Force Reboot. If your infotainment screen freezes, your phone won't connect, or your system becomes unresponsive, you don't need to pull over and restart the entire car. Audi has built in a digital reset function that most owners never discover. For newer MMI touch response systems found in 2019 and later models, hold the volume and power knob down for about 15 seconds until the screen goes black and the Audi logo reappears. This forces a complete restart of the infotainment system. Older MMI generations use a different approach, often called the 3-button salute. This typically involves pressing menu, the center knob, and the upper right button simultaneously, but the exact combination varies by generation. Because the button combinations change between MMI generations, it's important to check your owner's manual for the specific sequence for your model year. Getting the wrong combination won't damage anything, but it simply won't trigger the reset function. The reboot process usually takes around 30 seconds to complete, during which time you'll lose all infotainment functions, but your essential driving systems like climate control and safety features continue to work normally. This reset often solves connectivity issues, frozen screens, and various software glitches that can develop over time. It's much faster and more convenient than stopping the car and restarting the engine, especially when you're dealing with technology hiccups during a drive. Number 6. Traffic light information. Your Audi can actually talk to city infrastructure to help you catch green lights and reduce time spent idling at intersections. This feature represents the cutting edge of connected vehicle technology. The system provides either a countdown timer for red lights or a green light optimized speed advisory, known as GLOSA, displayed in your virtual cockpit. When approaching a traffic light, the system can tell you the optimal speed to maintain to arrive during the green phase. However, this feature requires an active Audi Connect Prime subscription and is only available on select 2017 and newer models. More importantly, it only works in participating cities that have upgraded their traffic infrastructure to communicate with vehicles. The technology relies on vehicle-to-infrastructure communication, where traffic lights broadcast their timing information to equipped vehicles. Your Audi receives this data and calculates the optimal approach speed or displays countdown information. Coverage is still limited and depends heavily on your local government's investment in smart traffic infrastructure. Major cities are gradually adding this capability, but rural and suburban areas may not have compatible traffic lights. The feature works best on main arterial roads, where traffic light timing is consistent and predictable. When it works, it's genuinely helpful for reducing fuel consumption and improving traffic flow, representing the future of intelligent transportation systems. Number 7. Customizable virtual cockpit layouts. The virtual cockpit is much more than just a digital speedometer. It's a customizable information center that most owners never fully explore. You can completely change how information is displayed based on your preferences and driving situation. Use the View button on your steering wheel to toggle between different layouts. You can switch from gauge-heavy displays that mimic traditional instruments to information-heavy layouts that prioritize navigation and media information. On SRS and some Virtual Cockpit Plus models, you can unlock additional sport or runway layouts with a central tachometer that emphasizes performance information. These layouts are designed for spirited driving and track use. The customization options are found in your settings menu under Display, where you can see which specific layouts your trim level supports. The available layouts depend on your specific virtual cockpit version and trim package. Higher-end models typically offer more layout options and customization features. You can also customize what information appears in the smaller displays around the main gauges, choosing from things like tire pressure, oil temperature, boost pressure, or navigation details. The system remembers your preferences and can even link different layouts to different driving modes, automatically switching to a sport layout when you select dynamic mode. This level of customization allows you to tailor the driving experience to your specific needs and preferences, whether you're commuting, touring, or enjoying spirited driving. Number 8. Telescopic Sun Visor Extension. This is a simple mechanical feature that solves a major annoyance, and most owners never realize their visor can do more than just flip to the side window. After you swivel the sun visor to the side window, you can slide the entire visor along its arm to block the sun further back toward the B-pillar. This gives you much better coverage for those low-angle sun situations that standard visors can't handle. The extension mechanism is built into the visor arm itself, but it's not immediately obvious how to use it. You need to grip the visor and gently pull it along the arm while it's positioned at the side window. While this feature is common on many Audi models, it's not present on every single entry-level trim. Give your visor a gentle pull to see if it's equipped with the telescoping function. The extension typically provides an additional 3 to 4 inches of coverage, which can make a significant difference when dealing with low-angle sunlight during sunrise or sunset driving. The mechanism is designed to slide smoothly and lock into position, so it won't slide back on its own while you're driving. This is another example of Audi's attention to practical details that improve the daily driving experience. It's a simple solution to a common problem that shows how German engineers think about every aspect of vehicle usability. Number 9. European-style single-side parking lights. This is a long-standing European feature that's perfect for parking on narrow, dark streets where you want to maintain visibility without draining your battery with full headlights. With the ignition off, move the turn signal stalk either up for the right side or down for the left side. This leaves only the front and rear parking lights on for that specific side of the car. The feature uses far less power than full headlights, making it ideal for overnight parking where you need some visibility but don't want to drain your battery. It's particularly useful in urban areas with narrow streets where you're parked close to traffic. However, This feature can be used overnight on a healthy battery, but should be used sparingly if your battery is older or if you're concerned about battery drain. While it uses minimal power, any electrical load over extended periods can affect battery life. The single-side parking lights are designed to make your car visible to passing traffic while using the minimum amount of electrical power necessary. In Europe, this feature is commonly used for overnight street parking, especially in cities with narrow roads where cars park very close to the travel lane. The asymmetric lighting pattern helps other drivers judge the position and orientation of your parked car. Check your local regulations before using this feature, as some areas may have specific requirements about parking lights and overnight illumination. This feature represents European attention to practical urban driving needs that American drivers might not immediately understand but can find very useful. Number 10. The Engineering Green menu. This is the deep developer mode for your Audi's brain, a hidden diagnostic menu that technicians use to access software versions and raw system data. It's the most advanced hidden feature on this list. The Engineering or Green menu provides access to detailed diagnostic information that's normally only available to service technicians. You can see software versions, module status, and various system parameters that aren't displayed in normal operation. However, here's the critical warning. Access methods like holding nav and media buttons change with every MMI generation, and on many cars, this menu is locked and must be enabled first with a tool like VCDS. Most importantly, do not change settings in this menu without a proper guide. This menu is powerful enough to disable your infotainment system or cause other problems if used incorrectly. The menu is intended for diagnostic purposes and advanced troubleshooting, not for casual exploration. Even viewing the information requires some technical knowledge to interpret what you're seeing. The menu can show things like CAN bus communication status, module temperatures, software build numbers, and various calibration values. While it's fascinating to see how complex your Audi's electronic systems are, it's also easy to accidentally change something that could cause problems. If you're curious about this feature, research the specific access method for your MMI version and proceed with extreme caution. This menu represents the incredible complexity and sophistication of modern Audi electronics, but it's definitely not for casual users. These 10 hidden Audi functions showcase the incredible depth of engineering that goes into every model. Each feature represents Audi's commitment to combining advanced technology with practical solutions to real-world driving challenges. The best part is that most of these features are already built into your car, waiting to be discovered and used. You don't need expensive upgrades or dealer visits, just the knowledge of how to access what's already there. Audi has always been about more than just luxury and performance. These hidden functions prove that the engineers in Ingolstadt are thinking about every aspect of the ownership experience, creating solutions that make driving more convenient, safer, and more enjoyable. Take some time to explore your specific model and discover what secrets your Audi has been keeping. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.